Hello everyone, I am Aditya Ghatate. Before I start the presentation, I would like to apologize that for the discrepancy in the photograph. The photograph was before the COVID lockdown. So in case if you don't recognize my face, this is what I look like now. So if we start with the first slide, uh, as I told you, I am Aditya Ghatate. I am married. My wife's name is Vaishnavi Ghatate. I have a daughter, 1.5-year-old daughter, and as all the children, she is very capable of keeping everybody busy and on their toes and constantly behind her. I was born in Nagpur. Then my hobbies are painting, reading, watching movies, spending time with my friends and family. Then the activities and topic of interest that I have is exploring that I like to explore new, innovative yet very simple techniques that help us in gardening or agriculture. When I say simple techniques, is like using basic kitchen waste for composting and such things that help us reduce our waste, home waste, or our unnecessary carbon footprint in the world. Then I like to find ways in which we can provide more space for plants and greens within our built up space, as now people are moving towards flats and congested housing societies than individual bungalows. And then if we say that my business is in the name of Aditya Ghatate, then I am in business from the last 4 years. If I have to describe my business, then I would say that I am an architect, an interior designer, and an urban and infrastructure planner, and I provide these consultancy services. Along with this, I am even working as a civil contractor. And from last year, we have started a pilot project wherein we are trying to market the orange and mosambis that we produce at our farm, and we deliver it to your doorstep at a reasonable price. Then previously, as I was a trainee at Atul Desai and Associates in Mumbai, which was during my training period in architecture. After that, I moved on to New Delhi, where I was an assistant architect in a firm named as Nivedita and Uday Pandey Consultants. In both the places, Atul Desai and Associates and NUPC, I have majorly worked on residential projects, but there were a few projects like Kurla Bus Depot and police stations and housing colonies for defense sector. Then after that, I have done my masters in infrastructure planning, and after doing my masters, I was a trainee at Naya Raipur Development Authority. That was a very good experience, as the entire city was planned from a scratch. There was no city existing, so we did not have to do addition alterations. We had a clean slate to plan, wherein we got a lot of freehand and planning infrastructure, that is roads, sewerage network, reuse of wastewater, and using renewable energy in the form of solar panels or other things to incorporate in the project. Then after leaving Naya Raipur Development Authority, I moved on to CIDCO. I was a deputy planner in CIDCO New Towns Division in Aurangabad. That was until 2017. September 30th September 2017, and later on I came to Nagpur and I have started my own consultancy, as well as I have started working as a civil contractor. And meanwhile, while doing so, I was also a project coordinator for urban for UMTC, which is a joint venture company between government of Andhra Pradesh, Ministry of Housing and Urban
Excuse me, sir.
Development. Yes.
Yeah, excuse me,
Hello?
sir. Sorry to interrupt. Very sorry to interrupt you. but in the minute you will have to wind up your profile. You have vast profile, but we have time limits, sir. So please write it up.
See, then by educational qualification, as I told, I am an architect and an urban planner. In skills, if you say I can design and execute projects as per the client brief, within the cost constraints and the resources that are provided. Then clubs and organizations that I am a member of is I am a member of Sampark. I am a member of Indian Institute of Architects. I have joined Govignan Anusandhan Kendra, which is a research institute for promoting ecological ways for agriculture and allied industries. I am working for Udasan Developer Residential School. Then I am even working for Balaji Mandir Temple Trust for the various activities. Then I am a part of Red Swastik Society, which is involved in providing medical aid to the needy. Then I am even a part of Nashik Rao Tilpura Preparatory School, which is meant to give the tribal students an opportunity to give training prepare them for the government services. Then if you talk about my goals, I have target to have happy and satisfied clients, to explore more innovative methods of increasing per hectare agriculture produce at my farm, to increase my involvement in projects and research being carried out at Govignan Anusandhan Kendra, exploring different uses of bamboo as a building and construction material, eliminating the need of throwing away household kitchen and organic waste. Then if you can talk about the achievements, the achievement is we have renovated and added modern amenities to an existing 200-year-old Kaptan Bada at Mahal without demolishing it. Then we have designed and rehabilitated the old Sheshahi Vishnu temple and the idol, which is the only Sheshahi Vishnu temple in entire Nagpur. And then I was involved in organizing various activity programs and renovation works at Balaji Mandir Ladpura Itwari, which has been successful in increasing the footfall in the temple. Then I am involved in certain marketing programs of the Govignan Anusandhan Kendra. Then I would say the best customers are homeowners, land or plot owners looking to develop their properties, builders, developers, entrepreneurs, organizations just looking for architectural or interior related consultancy or civil contractors, government agencies and its Department for Architecture, Interior Planning Consultancy Services, other consultants or civil contractors looking to sublet their work. Examples of positive reference would be versatile type. If somebody refers about me as versatile type of project portfolio, if somebody refers that I have good understanding of the bylaws and all the other development plans and government regulations, good at preparing plans that lead to maximum utilization of space, a professional civil contractor committed to project deadlines and commitments, and a person who ensures that there is no cost overrun. And the last slide will be the contact sphere for the business would be again the same. Then I will directly skip to my memory hook, that is design and execution to fulfill one's aspirations.